Here's how you can set up your wallet on Fogo in under 2 minutes. Firstly, if you're already in crypto, chances are you can already use your wallet on Fogo. You can see all these wallets work with Fogo and these two as well. But if you're new to crypto, we're going to be using Phantom. The website is phantom.com, and then just go ahead and click on download. Most people are using Chrome. I'm using Brave, which is basically the same. We can now just click on this and then click add to Brave, and then click add extension. Click create a new wallet unless you already have a secret recovery passphrase. Create a new wallet, and if you want to, you can continue with email. So we could go with an Apple or a Google account. If you're really new to crypto, this is probably the best thing for you to do. The first thing you need is a password. Go ahead and add a password, and ideally it should say strong. Then agree to the terms of service and continue. The next part is super important. This is a secret recovery phrase, also called a seed phrase. And these 12 words, which I'm going to show you mine, but you'll never ever show somebody your phrase ever. This is the only way that you can recover a wallet. These 12 words with some magical cryptography allow you to always recover your wallets that are derived from these. Always. However, it also means if I or somebody else has these 12 words, then we can also access your funds. So keep this super, super safe. Typically, you may put it into 1Password, which is a password manager, but you're not going to take a photo, you're not going to store it on the cloud, and you're not going to email it to yourself. And now you're ready. Click Get Started, and it comes over here in the side panel. All you need to do is put in your password and unlock it. Now you've got it on the side panel if you like, or if you prefer, you can come up to the extensions jigsaw piece and then just click on the pin icon. And now you've got it up here for your next step so you can explore the world of Fogo.